was my story, YouTube. The story of how I became a shadow. We must get back for what they have done. Even though I might not turn human ever. But I will always have my subscribers by my side to help me in my time. Okay, enough of that voice. Let's get it on! Okay, there we go. What's the news? Yep. Batons. And let's get it. God dang it. Anyway, let's just skip these daggone training montage. Alright, I'll be back in the next fight. Peace. First fight. Shadow vs. Ninja. Let's go. One. Kunai against Baton. Let's see who shall prevail. Yep, free. Hey guys, I'm not doing so well right now. I'm a little rusty. See if we can clean this sucker. For my body, for my humanness to come back to me. Kua. Kaya. Oh, he blocked it. Ooh, he didn't block that though. Let's go. Put him on his knees. Bow down. Oh, shoot, my knee. Hua. Cool. What? Saya. Cool. Never in your days will you figure this out. Backflip. Then, Fernandez. Then, he swerved it. But you never swerve a shadow. Oh, he got me in the corner. Oh, right in my nuts. Holy crap. Alright guys, he's mad. He's mad, but guess what we're gonna get him in? Oh no. Get him. Dang it. Alright guys, he really wants to make that comeback. But that's not, Guys, I will have failed you if this... Yes! Let's go. Go to sleep. Never in your days do you mess with a ninja. I'm Shadow. God damn it. Round 2. Let's get it on. Because I'm back, Shadow. Don't say my name, Shadowback. I don't know. No, stop blocking. Not allowed. He messed up my Clover Strike. Get it kicked. Goku slap. I missed. Yeah. Yeah. Get this work. Oh, he got me in my leg. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Clean yourself, fool. Roundhouse, that flip. Oh, we both did it. Front flip. Oh, we both. No, kick. Oh, no. Kick. Oh, no. Kick. I'm trying to hit me with that dunk. Get this. Oh, my leg. I don't even know how he did a low kick while I was in the air. Cool. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I'm gonna come back. Okay, guys. So I'm not losing this. I know. You gotta win. You gotta win for the Shadow Clan. Also, you heard someone in the background that was freaking roommate's mother. So we're probably gonna take forever with this fight. God Alright. Let's see if we can win this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, we didn't get him. Okay, guys, we might just lose this round. Hold up, if I could replay that, I would have replayed that slow motion donkey kick to the daggone dome. Okay, that is round 1. Next, we will do survival mode. Now we are in survival mode. First round of survival mode. Knife Ninja versus the Shadow. Let's see who prevails. 8. Alright guys, he's doing good. Right in my stomach, and he made me scared. That's not how this goes. It goes kick to the freaking dome. Alright, miss. Guys, I'm failing. Get kicked. Alright, guys. Yes! Oh my god, we have this. I want to chew you up and spit you out. No, guys, we're losing. Okay, maybe this was a mistake for me. Ah, no! You're gonna throw me into shock. You're gonna throw me into shock. Nah, son. You don't throw this one into shock. Round 2. Round 2. Let's see what ninja we got. Machete Ninja. This is the Tom. Touch dips. Fight. Dang it, he got me. He got me first hit, so. Got him. Shoot! Wait, no! Please, please, Jesus Christ. No. Get this flip circuit. Oh, this ain't gonna be best. You know you could be best. Take a look at you flip. No, you die. Hey! No, please, let's go. No. Where is it? I flip. Nice one. No, he got me. Uh-oh. Okay. Go now. Stay down. You're gonna feel the wrath of these metal batons again. Alright, everybody. That was round 2. Now we got up to 3. Uh-oh, it's baton versus touch side. Attack. Alright. Let's see if because if he's a baton ninja, he can cancel all my attacks. Really freaking fucking suck. Got this, He got me in my leg. He's gonna kick me in my head after this. God. I will not be defeated by a ninja that holds my weapon to true. Made a mistake. No, we didn't. He's a good dodger. God dang it. Alright, subscribers. I didn't do as many fights as I thought I could in this video. That over. Never mind. Subscribers. This is chapter 2. No, I am worthy of the name Shadow. Ooh. Are you serious? Like, for real, bro. They just gave him that name. That's fucking dog. Kia. I am worthy of this name Shadow. I did not plan to get that. Are you serious? Like, they're gonna do this every time, fam. For real. I ain't making the YouTube. I want to apologize for the noises I make. And something isn't tense. I'm dead. Yep. I'm dead. Get this cleanness, boy. Now get this last piece. And now hit up that one piece. Sweet. No, you don't. Cool. Coolio's on. Damn. Let's get it. Hey. Right. I think I can get through a few more rounds before this is over. Got 13. On 13 right now. Oh no. This is where I die. YouTube, this is where our story ends. Oh god. Nah, he got us. I knew it. Alright, YouTube. Gotta hold it. Gotta hold out. We can't let this ninja beat us. Oh my god. Okay, he's definitely the ninja that's gonna take us out. Cool. Oh, did I say the ninja? I meant the fake. Sweet. He has the blocking skills of a god. Yeah. No, you don't. Cake in your dome. You block. Alright, YouTube. Oh, Jesus. Not today. Bam. Get an elbow in the back of the head. Lay down. Don't ever get up and try to fight me again. But YouTube, this is where, this episode might have been boring because of, just got home. It's really late. I can't be screaming and, yelling. If I got home earlier, I'd be yell central right now. But I just still hope you guys enjoy these intense fight scenes. Cool. Wow. Arnold Schwarzenegger. No, dodging me. You cannot dodge what you cannot see. Yeah, I have a horrible Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation. Oh my god, every time with that kick. Oh my, Shadow, stop it. Okay guys, this is where I'm gonna have to end the video. Hope you enjoy Shadow Fight 2, Episode 2. Like, favorite, subscribe. See you next time. Catch ya. Peace.